Alright guys, changing a battery on a Honda, Acura, Toyota, any car. Any new cars, you have electrical throttle body, you have radio code, there's memory saved in the system, power seats, all kinds of stuff, right? But you do not want to disconnect the battery and lose all power, right? You have to back up the memory, all right? Pretty much, I have a Honda Accord here. I'm going to show you a best, easiest possible way to do it, right? All you need is a jump box, all right? And I got a wire here with a sharp little pin in the front, all right? This wire is just looped up to this pin. So pretty much what I need to do here is, all I do here is, just to be on the safe side, I do need to connect this to power over here, right? But one hand is not gonna let me do it, so let me try this. Let me try to put my camera down here. All right, so simply, I'm gonna take this. I cannot let the other end touch the car, right? So this, what I'm gonna do here is, all right guys, see that? I connected the cable to the jump box. And all I'm gonna do here is, I'm gonna take this sharp guy, all right? This is positive, all right? That's positive. All you're gonna do is, you're gonna poke it. There's no problem doing this, all right? Right now, this is feeding power to positive, right? Just like that. And what you're gonna do is, the negative side is, if I can take this side off, you can take the negative side and simply ground it, all right? So what I would do here is, let me grab my light. Let me grab the light, guys, so y'all can see. I'm gonna take this. You could put this anywhere, all right? Choose a good spot, like you could connect it to the power steering. You could connect it somewhere on the intake, right here. This is ground, all right? So what I like to do is I try to go close to the alternator, because alternator does ground itself to circulate power. Right now, you're backed up, all right? You do not need to turn the key. You do not need to do anything, all right? There's another way to do it, is where even this has instructions over here somewhere. This jump box, if you buy this particular jump box, it's gonna come with the cable, which has a cigarette lighter on both ends. One side you put in there, the other one you push it into the cigarette light port inside the car, but you do need to put your key on. The accessory has to be on, all right? That way it's feeding the power from there to this way, all right? Right now I'm live, all right? This is live. I can disconnect my terminals here, put out the battery, put a new battery in, clean the terminals, and put the battery back in, all right guys? Put the new battery in, all right? That should take care of your battery issue, all right? Simple as that, guys. Any car, this is one easy way to back up your memory right here, all right? This is like having a battery connected all time. All you need to do is just be careful this does not come out. You can even put a little bit of tape there so it holds itself together, all right? And then don't forget, the positive, it cannot touch anywhere, even though your battery is no longer disconnected, all right? No longer connected. You still cannot let this touch anywhere, all right? Because this is feeding power to everything right now. All right, guys, I hope you liked the video. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, all right? So this is a 04 Honda Accord. If you have any Honda, Toyota, Acura, it doesn't matter. BMW, Audi, you gotta back up the power, guys, or you'll have trouble, especially with the Toyotas. Your idle will drop. It'll go crazy, bananas. And with this car, your idle might give you issues. You're gonna have a radio locked, your GPS locked, and you don't want that, all right? You might not find the codes. But that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.